We're here in a 2015 Lexus CT. We just installed the Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. Fully touchscreen. It also works with your original mouse. We're going to show you in this video how to set up Android Auto. Go ahead and come to Settings in the Hamilton operating system, Phone Connection Settings, and click OK to enable wireless connectivity. You're going to pull out your Android device, open it up into the Settings page, and we'll come here to Connections. Then click on Bluetooth, and you're going to locate your new Hamilton Bluetooth device. Click on it. When the pairing code pops up, click Pair. Just like that, Android Auto will load and automatically open. If you've never used Android Auto with your phone before, you may get a couple notifications to approve favorites and contacts and approve use of Android Auto. And just like that, we now have Android Auto. Of course, this is going to be touchscreen. You can also use your factory mouse. We're not done yet. I have a few more important things to show you. Long holding the menu button for 3 seconds will bring you back to your factory Lexus system. For our system to play audio from Android Auto, you need to be in the aux mode. Clicking source here would be how you change your audio modes. For iPhone users, we tell you to delete and forget your factory Bluetooth. For Android users, you need to keep your system in the aux mode, but you need to have your phone double paired to your factory Bluetooth and to the Hamilton system. It's very important that you keep your phone double paired to the factory Bluetooth for Android users only. The reason for this is that phone calls are going to be automatically handled via your factory Lexus Bluetooth. So if your phone is not paired to your factory Lexus Bluetooth, go ahead and also do that now. I'll walk you through briefly Android Auto now. Any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here. Whether you use Spotify, YouTube Music, or another music app, you'll have easy access to it. Any app that you use in your personal or business life also that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up. Here is Waze. Whether you use Google Maps or Waze, you'll have access to beautiful navigation. It's so much better than the factory navigation. Coming back home, you'll see that with Android Auto, we can do a quick press of the voice speech button to trigger the Google Assistant. How's the weather in Raleigh, North Carolina?
Currently in Raleigh, it's 84 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 84 and a low of 62.
Your steering wheel controls will continue to work. And shifting to reverse will bring up the backup camera, and back to drive or park will bring you right back to Google and Android Auto. A quick press of the menu button will bring you to the underlying Hamilton operating system. I'll talk briefly about this and what it is. It makes your new Hamilton conversion kit more powerful than even the newest vehicles. This system has the Google Play Store loaded directly on it. That means you can put apps right onto the Hamilton system. It has a top-of-the-line Qualcomm processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. So it's competitive with premium Android phones. You can put any app right onto this device, and it makes this device so powerful you can do things that might not be available in Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Of course, we can come right back to Android Auto, and once again, long holding that menu button will take you back to the factory screen. If you have any questions about how to install or use this system, we have a full installation video, and we have North Carolina-based tech support available at 919-858-2890. All of our kits are backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. Should anything go wrong, except for accidental damage, our warranty will take great care of you. We're here for you. We appreciate your business. Check us out, HamiltonMotorCompany.com.